Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for all your support, okay? I appreciate you here. Today's recipe is the ultimate jollof rice. Like you would have seen from the title, our choice of rice for this recipe is parboiled rice. You don't want to miss any second of this video. I like to roast my peppers like you're seeing me do. Whenever we are doing a barbecue at the backyard, I use that opportunity to get my peppers and tomatoes and all I need for jollof rice in the future or for that day. So for this jollof rice, I had roasted my peppers. I roast my my red bell peppers, my tomatoes, onions, and if I'm not using it at that time, I let it cool and I put it in the freezer. The thing you see in the foil is garlic. I find that roasting this ingredient this way imparts so much flavors, so much smoky flavors into the jollof rice, a lot more than when I use my oven. Of course, you know that real charcoal gives so much flavors to whatever you roast on it. But anyway, if you don't have access to barbecue charcoal grill like I do, feel free to use whatever medium you have, gas, electric, or your cooking oven. It will still work, okay? You also need concentrated tomato paste for this rice. It adds a lot of flavor, a lot of color to it. Even though I have roasted onions in the blend, I still will need this fresh onions to fry the oil and impact the oil with so much onion flavor before I add other ingredients to the oil. Other ingredients are bay leaves, thyme, curry. You need salt, you need chicken seasoning cube or tablet. You also need chicken stock for this recipe. I like to wash my parboiled rice with boiled water, and I wash the rice until the water runs clear. Your best pot in cooking Nigerian or the classic smoky flavored jollof rice is a stainless steel pot. You can also use an aluminum pot if that is what is available to you. This is so because when you use this stainless steel or aluminum pot, it helps the burning of the base of the rice. You know what I mean by the base of the rice, the part that sticks to the pot. It helps it to burn, and through that burning, the smoky flavor is impacted into the rice for that classic smoky flavor that we all like. I like to fry my onions and bay leaves like so, and I fry it for a few minutes and I add the tomato concentrate or the tomato paste, and I fry the tomato paste until the color of oil changes and the sour taste of the tomato paste is off. Then I will now add the cooked or the pre-cooked tomato and bell pepper, onions, and all that mix like I have done now in this video. I also added some dried thyme with the bay leaves to really infuse into this oil. After frying this tomato mix for 15 minutes and it tasted good, it was now time to add the rice. I like to toss this rice in this fried tomato base for a couple of minutes. I fry it till I'm sure that it has absorbed the tomato very well. I also like to add a little bit of ground cloves like you see me do. I like to add white pepper or black pepper. They impart so much flavor to jollof rice. You cannot go wrong with well-made chicken stock in your jollof rice. it gives it so much flavors. For my classic jollof rice, I like to add smoked paprika. It's not compulsory, but if I have smoked paprika at home, I like to add it like I just added in this festive jollof rice. For the quantity of jollof rice I'm making, I'm not adding too much spice. This is because the chicken stock I'm using here is well flavored, it's very tasty, quite a lot of ingredient in it, so I don't want to have this jollof rice over salted or over spiced. In cooking your jollof rice, you need to cover it with foil or with anything that can help trap heat in the rice. You can use parchment paper. Remember to check your jollof rice every 10 minutes. You do what I'm doing. This is a big pot of rice, so I have to open every 10 minutes, ensure that the water is absorbing well, ensure that every part of the rice is cooking evenly. Okay? All I'm doing here is lift the rice a little, ensure that moisture is well distributed. I'm not really stirring it all over. I'm just lifting it, from the base to be sure that there is an even moisture distribution. This rice smells amazing, and the smoky smell is already pouring out of this rice. Now, there is one last thing I will add to give this rice the perfect taste. Yes, it's butter. For festive rice, I add butter. I don't always add butter to my rice, but if it is festive rice and I just want that butter, kick or flavor added to that smoky flavor, this is how you do it. Add a little bit of butter, turn it well, make sure that it's incorporated to every grain of the rice, and girl, you have your guests or your family asking for more, because this is how jollof rice should be done. There's no problem also if you decide not to add the butter. I don't add butter, like I said, all the time. So you're free to add. You're also free to leave it off. It does not affect your classic jollof rice taste so much. Serve your rice with your protein of choice. Remember to have a side of veggies. It always does good. Thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and share. I appreciate you for being here. God bless you. Bye.